I always forget the date, but yeah, it's Saturday. It's finally the day. I'm going to Malacca. Currently 6:35 at 6:40 a.m. and I'm going. Oh, I'm so excited. My bus will going to arrive. I mean, my bus will be depart. We will be depart from here to Malacca at 8:30 a.m. So it's Cina.
Sell something and bring back to your countries, to your hometown. Stuff of the peoples of Malacca. It portrays the culture.
How much?
Alright, we have
Yes, the bell color you can change.
You can make yourself
Oh.
play handicraft. You can make yourself an anyaman, that is the Malay's traditional movement and art. And also, you can get to experience all the different workshops. And today is for free.
Here we arrive at the hotel. It's currently, why the icon is not working? It's currently 1:40 p.m. and we are so tired. We are so full. We ate a lot, just like how we vlog, and we're so exhausted. And we're going to take a nap until evening and then had our dinner probably around here and just go to sleep, because tomorrow we're going to have a full day in Malacca again. So it's going to be very exciting things to do. It's my first time planning my trip, and it's very all over the place. I don't even know where I'm going, but I just go according to my instinct with my auntie over there. It's a very beautiful house. I love the exterior of the house, and we're going to go around there, eating over there. And there's not so much car now, because it used to be, just now it was very packed. You know what? I'm so impressed by this one, because it's from Mami. You know, Mami is very worldwide. I mean, well known in Malacca. They even have the empat cawan rempah, and they have some weird things that I never seen before. It's serbuk limau seberguna. What's the uses of this? We bought some groceries to eat at hotel.
Pada dia 20 malam dengan bayar siang.
Tak apa.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side.
Cili giling. So orang dulu dia akan giling cili kudan ni. Japanese ceramics. So these are the weapons that they used back then. A lot of weapons. So scary. They can kill you. I'm here on the road, and this is so scary. I gotta go back downstairs. Coins down there, can you see? I think there's someone threw them in here.
Over the hills and far from home, she's waiting for love to be realized.
This is Laksamana Cheng Ho. Hi Laksamana Cheng Ho.
Send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side.
Hello, it's 12:40 p.m. and we're going to Jongpo Walk, and there's a lot of people. And here's Chida. We came here twice. Today is the second day, and it's so interesting because people are getting a lot more now since it's evening. I mean it is afternoon. Just say hi. Hi. Hi.
Hello.
She's tired. Let's. Oh, this is the coffee. China, we're going back home now. We're packing. We're done packing, and look at that amount of food that we ate for 2 people. That's a lot. All right, and there's my bag, my auntie's bag, her bag, my backpack, and yeah, this is the last view. I really love this architecture, the exterior. I think I already told you that. And it's so sunny in Malacca now. It's very sunny. And that's the place that we ate our breakfast for 2 days. There's a lot of people because it's quite famous. Hi, Ting. Mga video. Dana.